Hi there guys, thank you for watching this video. This is just a short video to show you some of the new functionality we've added. This is not supposed to be an in-depth training video, how to build courses and stuff of that kind. I just want to touch on some of the points, how you can interact with our system, use our system, and in my opinion, derive value from it. So to interact with LFE, you need to first log in. To log into LFE, you need to know your username and password. If you don't, contact us. We'll make sure that you do, and you're squared away. I'm just going to I'm going to log in with my Facebook account. As an author, the part that you're going to care the most about is going to be the author admin. In author admin, you can view your sales, and they can be viewed by month, week, 90 days, 6 months, and so forth. And of course, you can manage your videos right over here, and that shows the videos that I have, and I've uploaded a few videos into my account. And you can view your courses, and we'll talk about this here in just a second. When looking at your courses, you can click on a course, and this will open it in what we call the course creation wizard, where you can go step by step and manage your course, your chapters, your chapter contents. You can add link, video, document a particular chapter. And by the way, of course, if you're curious what it looks like, you can always skip to the final step here, and you can click preview the product page, and that's what the course is going to look like in our course viewer, or preview product page. This is just a sample, and it will show you what it looks like to a viewer that's about to purchase it. So, so much for the course viewer. For the course wizard, you can also click here on edit, and that gives you kind of a more property view type control, where it's not a wizard, but you can go kind of here in a different user interface and control that. It also has pricing and coupons here, which we will talk about here a little bit later. And you'll be able to review your sales and that type of information for a course that's already in production. Now, the part that I want to focus the most about here is the My Stores tab, and that's where you can generate your web store. And a web store is basically a piece of HTML code that you can embed into your own site. And I'm going to show you here what it looks like. So I'm going to create my test store. And the tracking ID is something that's mostly for you. So when you get report of your sales, provided that maybe you have several websites and several stores, and you're selling one type of content here and another type of content there, that's what's going to allow you to identify where the content was sold. So then we're going to go to content, and we're actually working on upgrading the screen, so bear with us for now. But in order to start bearing your content categories, you need to first create a category. So I'm going to go ahead and create a category called fitness. And this is a category name that you create based on what you think it should be called on your website. And then I can start populating that category from either by single course, by full LFE category, or by an author. So I'm going to go by an author, and I'm going to select all of Stephanie Herman's courses and drop them into that category here. She's really good. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to select Patricia Freiberg, and I'm going to save all those. And now I have 7 or 8 courses in my store. Of course, if you're going to be adding your own courses to your store, which is what I assume you're going to be doing, you're going to go to all by author and find yourself in the drop down. So the next step is you're going to go to embed code. And I'm going to create here an iframe that's going to be 900 width, 700 tall, and it's going to be on http authors.lfe.com/test123. Now, this is going to be the name. This is your own URL in which the page is going to be hosted. So that's why it's enterable. I'm going to take this code. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to go and switch over to the WordPress panel. which I assume a lot of you are going to be familiar with. It doesn't have to be WordPress. It can be, any other website. This is just, I just want to show you how that works on WordPress. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add a new page. And I'm gonna go here to text and I'm gonna paste that and I'm gonna give it the page name, which I called it test 1 2 3 4. And I'm gonna save it. And I'm gonna publish it. And I'm gonna go to authors.lfe.com/test1234. And here I got my widget, and of course now I have my widget too wide, and it's going over the bar there. So we're gonna just go and take care of that. And we're gonna go here, and we're gonna make the width not the 900 but 700. And of course, our control is gonna automatically update, and it's actually quite responsive to the different widths. But you really should play with it and see how it looks on your site and make sure that it looks right. And of course, any trouble, give us a call. We'll make sure it's okay. So that's your brand new web store on your own website with your own content from which people can log in and hopefully buy your stuff or buy other people's stuff and so forth. So that's one of the biggest things we've added. One of the other features I want to show you that are here are the reports. So there are sales reports, there are website stored sales reports. One of the important things, and I think this is quite novel to LFE, is subscriber report. So here you can actually download a report of all your subscribers who bought your courses, their emails and stuff like that, which is trivial. But a lot of our competitors won't let you have that because they don't want you to know who your clients are. So you can contact them, you can add them to your autoresponders, you can do all that good stuff. Just one last thing that I want to do is I want to show you on the course viewer that's also been revamped and brand new. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to log in, I'm going to open a course and show you the course viewer. The discussion module, I think, is going to be fairly significant and is going to become more significant because we're going to put a little bit more into it. But now we have a discussion module where people can participate and reply and have meaningful discussions about your content. So we encourage you go in there and place in a few posts. We have Facebook integration in the back of it, so it actually pushes it to their wall, and we're working on email notifications and stuff of that nature. So it's really, truly going to create a community around your content, around your course. So thank you for being an LFE author, and looking forward to working with you on this soon, and hope that you enjoyed this little video, and Merry Christmas, and I hope you have good sales with us next year.